In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer my online course from Teachable to another platform. We'll walk through gathering the essential pieces you'll need for a smooth move, confirming the right course, saving your certificate details, grabbing your sales page link, and exporting your student list. These items become your reference points and import files when you set up your course elsewhere. Start by signing in to your Teachable admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, open courses. This is where all of your published and draft courses live. Use the search bar if you have a large catalog, then select the exact course you plan to migrate. Opening the course ensures every action you take next is tied to the correct content. Inside the course, head to Certificates on the left, choose Preview to see how your completion certificate currently displays. This quick check helps you replicate branding, fields, and layout later. Consider noting the fonts, colors, and any dynamic fields like student name or completion date so you can match the look on your new platform. Next, navigate to sales pages. Select the page you use to market or enroll students into this course. Open the options menu, often shown as 3 dots, and choose Copy URL Link. Save this link in your migration notes. It's useful for benchmarking your new sales page, preserving SEO redirects, and keeping your marketing consistent. Finally, move to Students for this course. Choose Export CSV, then confirm export. Teachable will generate a spreadsheet with your enrolled learners. Keep this file secure, as it contains personal data, and label it clearly for the course you're moving. You'll use it to import students into your new platform, communicate transition dates, or verify enrollments after the switch. That's it. You've identified the right course, captured certificate details, saved your sales page URL, and exported your student roster. With these assets ready, you'll be set up to recreate your course experience confidently on your new platform and minimize disruption for your learners.